Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add subscriptions on your Shopify store. As you know guys, Shopify is one of the most popular websites for making websites and new domain. Then guys, subscriptions have become the popular way for Shopify store owners to keep their customers coming back again and again. This is because subscriptions are the essential tool for building a reliable customer base that can help sustain your business and the long term. Then guys, it's very easy, so make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will get the easy way to add your subscriptions on your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, after you creating your Shopify and verified your account with phone number and email address, then on the home page just scroll to the bottom and click on settings on the left. Then guys, you need to scroll to on the toolbar, you need to scroll down to apps and sales channels, then click on apps. Then guys, on the top click on Shopify app stores. Then guys, wait a few seconds to open your app store on your Shopify account. Then guys, on the search bar tap subscriptions, then click on and tap on the toolbar on the search bar subscriptions. Then guys, there is a bunch of different applications for subscriptions, but I prefer and I recommended this one. It's Apple subscriptions because I have already used it and it's better than other applications. Then open this application. Then guys, go and click on add app to add in this application to your Shopify store. Then guys, on the top you need to install the application on your Shopify and link it with your Shopify account. Then guys, wait a few seconds to install the application on your Shopify store. As you see guys, the application was successfully installed. Then when you open the application, then guys, go and select the free one and activate it and click on activate. As you see guys, the application was installed and linked with your Shopify and activated also on your account. Then guys, on the toolbar on the left you need to scroll to subscriptions, then go and click on subscriptions and or create manual subscriptions. Then you have to create the new one and the manual. Then guys, there is for me it's a new account after creating and adding the product because I don't have any product on my account. Then after adding the product and also go to settings and set up your payment. Then you need to scroll to payment and set up your and provide payment provider and also add payment method, and the last one add the manual payment method. Then guys, go directly to your application and you can add your subscriptions. Then also again click on your application, then scroll to subscriptions, then create the manual subscriptions to create your owner subscriptions. Then you need to provide some informations to complete to activate, and you need to add the product, then add your subscriptions currency. Then on the last, you need to add the customer details to add your subscriptions. I don't have the access to adding subscriptions because I don't have any product on my account. Then after adding the product and creating your product, the new product, then you will get access to you add a new subscriptions. As you see guys, it's free and easy to use because I recommend it and I have already used it and it's worked with me and other people I know. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.